In a time when a nation was on the brink of collapse, torn by civil war and division, one leader emerged from humble roots to steer it toward healing and unity. Abraham Lincoln, the 16th President of the United States, became a beacon of hope and a symbol of resilience. His legacy is etched in history as the man who ended slavery and preserved the Union. Born in a log cabin in 1809, Lincoln's early life was marked by poverty and hard work. Self-educated, he became a lawyer and entered politics, driven by a deep sense of justice. In 1860, he was elected president, a time when the nation was on the brink of civil war. Lincoln's leadership was tested as he faced the secession of Southern states. His Emancipation Proclamation in 1863 was a pivotal moment, declaring all slaves in rebel states to be free. This bold move redefined the war as a fight for freedom. Lincoln's Gettysburg Address further cemented his vision of a united nation. Tragically, his life was cut short by assassination in 1865, but his impact endures. Lincoln's dedication to equality and his ability to lead with compassion and resolve remain inspirational. His story is one of courage, vision, and the unwavering belief in a better future for all. As we reflect on his life, we are reminded of the power of leadership and the enduring struggle for justice. Lincoln's legacy is a testament to the strength of the human spirit, and his story continues to inspire generations to come. His journey from a log cabin to the White House is a reminder that greatness can come from humble beginnings. Thanks for watching. We appreciate your support. Until next time, stay curious and inspired. Remember, your journey starts here. Abraham's legacy of courage and unity inspires us. His leadership is a timeless example of strength.